Kawai ES920, the premier digital piano of 2024. Renowned for its blend of portability and top-tier performance, this model caters especially to the needs of advanced musicians. It incorporates the responsive Hammer 3 keyboard action and harmonic imaging sound technology from Kawai, delivering an experience close to that of playing an acoustic piano. The ES920 is not just about its authentic feel and sound, it comes with a robust speaker system, an extensive range of instrument voices, and multiple connectivity features, including Bluetooth MIDI. It makes it versatile for both stage shows and home practice. What really sets the ES920 apart is its combination of a realistic playing feel, expressive audio quality, and a design that's easy to move around. It has become a favorite choice among professionals seeking a dependable instrument for both practice and live performances. This popularity extends across various settings such as homes, educational institutions, religious places, and music studios. Ease of use is another hallmark of the Kawai ES920. The piano's interface includes straightforward buttons for quick access to its myriad features like sound selection, effects, rhythm patterns, metronome, and recording capabilities. The OLED display further simplifies navigation, presenting options in a clear format. Packed with cutting-edge digital features like Bluetooth connectivity, the ES920 promises to keep players engaged. Its triple-sensor hammer detection system enhances playability by offering improved response and accuracy. Additionally, strategic reinforcements in the action assembly reduce noise and prevent key wobble during intense musical passages. Known for its exceptional sound and responsive touch, the Kawai ES920 stands unparalleled in the realm of compact, portable digital piano. It earns a resounding endorsement for those seeking an unmatched piano playing experience. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.